Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of keto, the ketogenic diet. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our fantastic content. In this comprehensive video, we'll cover everything you need to know about the keto diet, perfect for beginners and those curious about this trending lifestyle. So, let's get started. Number 1. Understanding the keto diet. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan that encourages your body to enter a state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body shifts from relying on carbohydrates for energy to burning stored fats. This metabolic shift not only aids in weight loss, but also has potential benefits for brain function and overall health. To truly grasp the magic of ketosis, let's understand the science behind it. When you limit your carb intake, your liver produces molecules called ketones. These ketones become an alternative fuel source, powering your body in the absence of glucose from carbs. As your body adapts to using ketones, it becomes more efficient at burning fat, leading to weight loss and increased energy levels. In the keto diet, macronutrient ratios play a crucial role. The typical breakdown is around 70 to 75% of calories from healthy fats, 20 to 25% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. This specific balance helps maintain ketosis and promotes fat burning. Now that we understand the macros, let's talk about the foods you should embrace and those you should avoid on a keto diet. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil are your allies, while starchy foods, sugary treats, and grains should be limited. Beyond weight loss, the keto diet may offer several health benefits. Some studies suggest it can improve heart health, manage blood sugar levels, and even aid in conditions like epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Number 2. The science behind ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state in which our bodies rely primarily on ketone bodies for fuel instead of glucose. This shift occurs when our carbohydrate intake is drastically reduced, prompting our liver to produce ketones from stored fats. These ketones become an efficient alternative energy source, especially for our brain, which typically relies heavily on glucose. To grasp the science behind ketosis, we must first understand insulin, a hormone that plays a central role in managing our blood sugar levels. When we consume carbohydrates, our bodies break them down into glucose, causing our blood sugar to rise. In response, the pancreas releases insulin, which helps cells absorb glucose for energy or storage. When we significantly reduce our carbohydrate intake, as in the ketogenic diet, our bodies face a shortage of glucose. As a result, insulin levels drop, and our fat cells release stored fatty acids. These fatty acids are then converted into ketones by the liver, setting the stage for ketosis. Ketosis offers an array of benefits beyond weight loss. Research suggests that ketones have neuroprotective properties and may improve brain function. Additionally, ketosis has shown promise in managing conditions like epilepsy and even cancer. However, it's crucial to remember that the science is still evolving, and more research is needed to fully understand these potential benefits. One intriguing aspect of the ketogenic diet is its impact on hunger and appetite. Studies have found that ketosis may suppress hunger hormones and increase feelings of fullness, potentially making it easier for some individuals to adhere to the diet. While ketosis can be beneficial for many, it's essential to address potential risks, especially for certain individuals. People with diabetes, liver issues, or metabolic disorders should approach the ketogenic diet with caution and under medical supervision. Furthermore, long-term adherence to a strict keto diet may lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. Number 3. Keto-friendly foods. Now that we know what keto is all about, let's explore the delicious array of keto-friendly foods. From healthy fats like avocados and nuts to nutrient-dense vegetables and protein-rich meats, the keto diet offers a variety of delectable options. We'll also share some tasty recipes to get you started on your keto journey. Healthy fats. Embracing healthy fats is at the heart of the ketogenic diet. Avocado, with its creamy texture and rich taste, is a perfect example. Load up on avocados in salads, smoothies, or simply sliced with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Olive oil, coconut oil, and grass-fed butter are excellent sources of healthy fats for cooking and dressing. Nourishing proteins. On keto, proteins are your friends. Opt for high-quality, grass-fed meats like beef, lamb, and bison. Poultry, such as chicken and turkey, are also keto-friendly. Just remember to go for skin-on as it adds extra fat. Seafood, like salmon and shrimp, is not only packed with protein but also provides essential omega-3 fatty acids. Low-carb veggies. Load up your plate with colorful low-carb vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are not only nutrient-dense but also great for keeping your net carbs in check. Cruciferous veggies, including broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts, are versatile and can be roasted, sautéed, or even turned into a delicious keto-friendly rice substitute. Dairy delights. For dairy lovers, there are plenty of keto-friendly options. Full-fat cheeses like cheddar, mozzarella, and feta are fantastic additions to salads or satisfying snacks on their own. Greek yogurt and heavy cream can be used in both savory and sweet keto recipes, adding creaminess and flavor. Nuts and seeds. When it comes to snacks, nuts and seeds are your go-to munchies. Almonds, walnuts, and macadamia nuts are low in carbs and high in healthy fats. Sunflower and chia seeds are excellent additions to smoothies or salads, providing an extra boost of nutrients. Sweet alternatives. Satisfying your sweet tooth on keto is possible with natural sugar alternatives. Stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit are popular options that won't spike your blood sugar. Additionally, dark chocolate with a high cocoa content can be a guilt-free treat in moderation. Number 4. Navigating macros and meal planning. Macro what? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Macros refer to the macronutrients, fats, proteins, and carbohydrates that constitute your daily food intake. We'll guide you through calculating and tracking your macros, ensuring you maintain the right balance to achieve your health goals. Plus, we'll share essential tips on meal planning for a successful keto experience. Number 5. Potential benefits and considerations. 400 words. Host. The keto diet isn't just a fad, it has real potential for health benefits. From weight loss and improved heart health to better blood sugar control and enhanced brain function, the benefits are substantial. However, it's essential to consider potential downsides, such as the keto flu and its sustainability for long-term use. Number 6. Tips for success. Transitioning to a keto lifestyle may seem daunting, but with these expert tips, you'll be set up for success. We'll share advice on staying hydrated, practicing mindful eating, and how to handle social situations while on the keto diet. Number 7. Debunking keto myths. Host. As with any popular diet, keto comes with its share of myths and misconceptions. Let's dispel some common myths surrounding the keto diet, so you can make informed decisions based on accurate information. Number 8. Safety and who should avoid keto. As much as we adore the keto diet, it may not be suitable for everyone. We'll discuss who should avoid keto, such as pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, and growing children. There you have it. Everything you need to know about the keto diet, perfect for beginners and those eager to explore this transformative lifestyle. Remember, before embarking on any dietary change, consult your healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your individual needs. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who may find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content. Until next time, happy keto journey and keep living your healthiest life.